Hello, welcome to my English class. Today we will study learn to make sentences. What you will study today? You will learn to make sentences and small sentences you will frame and its usage, how it is used in a sentence and all you will see. And if you start speaking and you can start speaking and writing also, and it is very user friendly and a very simple way to learn sentences. How you will frame sentences you will learn here very easily. So let's start. Sentence frames for the beginners. It is only for the beginners. I have made chart here in a table format. Sentence frame in the first column, then example, and then use for. What is the usage of this sentence and it is used for what purpose? And one example I have shown you, but you can frame many from these sentences by writing many more words, adding words. You can make more sentences. So I like mangoes, I like apples, I like banana, I like mangoes. Here already I have given. So I like bread and butter, I like sweets, I like chocolates. So in this way you can frame many sentences, as many as you can. In this way your vocabulary of sentences will increase with the words also, and you can write and speak very easily. So it is used for talking about favorites. I like, it is talking about favorites. What is your favorites? This is my book, this is my pen, this is my eraser, this is my pencil box, this is my bag. So as many as you can add words, and you can frame many sentences by this is my. By filling this gap you can add many words and see at least 10 sentences, then 20. Like this will increase, and it will increase your speaking and writing. So as many as you know words, it will increase your vocabularies also. So showing ownership, this is my, this pronoun. I don't want to go for any grammar chapter wise straight away, but only I am focusing on sentence. So this word my, showing ownership. So this is my book. So this is my book, you the owner of the book. So showing ownership. I can run, I can jump, I can play cricket, so I can play football. So in this way you can add as many as words and frame many sentences. So I can is ability. It is hot, it is cold. So in this way you can add as many as you can. So it is dry, it is wet. So in this way you can. So it is a descriptions. I have a cat, I have a dog. So I have a whatever you may have. I have a computer, I have a storybook. So in this way you can add words and frame sentences. So I have is possessions. Next table, let's play, let's see the movie, let's see the game, let's see the dance, let's sing. So let's is let us. So it is silent us, and you pronounce in such a way that it's let's, we will say. So in this way we will say, you can say let's, not using let us. Okay, so it is silent us here, this pronunciation. Giving suggestion, so it's, you are giving someone some suggestion, you can speak in this way. Let's play means no, because you can't decide what to do at this point. Let's sing, let's see a movie. So in this way you can write as many a sentence. I'm happy, I'm sad. So in this way you can, feelings, whatever feelings you are having at that time, you can express that. I see a bird, I see a parrot, specific about the bird. You can say many other things you have. I see an elephant, I see a horse. So this is your observations. My dog is big. So you can say in a different way, my dog is small also, you can say. So describing nouns here, focusing. So here dog, big or small, whatever you can express in that way. I want juice, expressing need, want. So whatever, juice or tea, coffee, cold drinks, fruit juice. So whatever you can write here, you want, what is your wanting at that time, expressing your needs. When you express your needs and wants, you can write in this way. When you express suggestion, you write in this way. Feelings, you write in this way. So your feeling, so I always used with this verb you have to use, and then the what you can use in a different way. One example I have shown here, describing nouns, you can also in this way write. So your want, also expressing needs, want. So next slide is sentence frame. So example use for where is my bag? So where is my pen? Where is my book? Where is my copy? So asking questions, whatever you want to. Where is my chocolate? So where is my breakfast? So in this way you can ask any questions you want. Come to school, invitation, any invitation. Come to the function, you can write. Come to the any marriage ceremonies in your house, you can invite in that way. Please give me water, request. Please give me a pen. Please give me your sharpener. So in this way you can write, please give me your storybook. So in this way you can request someone when you ask something and in a request way. So I'm going to school, so talking about movement, any movement. I'm going to the market, I'm going to the zoo. So your movement, whatever movement, you can frame as many as sentences. Dash is beautiful, the sky is beautiful, expressing admiration. When you see something which is very nice, that means you admire with that thing, that sceneries and that view, whatever may be, or any picture. So the picture is beautiful, you can say also. So the sky is beautiful, the mountain is beautiful, the flower is beautiful. So in this way you can express your admiration, that you like whatever you have seen at that point of time. So you frame in this way as many as one example also. With this word only, you just change the blank portion, the words as many, and frame at least first 5, then increase it and make it 10 each. You will increase as if you increase sentences, you will learn also different words also with this, and you are speaking and you can speak confidently and write confidently also. Next, I feel tired, emotions. She is kind or he is kind, talking about people. I like to dance, I like to sing. So whatever you like. So talking about hobbies, you can say. I like to collect coins. I like to collect different pictures. So talking about your hobbies, you can say, I like to play guitar, I like to sing, I like to play cricket, badminton, whatever. So it is hobby. Can I have a pencil? So in a polite way, when you ask, so in this way you have to ask using can. So this is dash, this dash is dash, this flower is red. So whatever, maybe you can change the words, not only flower, in many other things regarding the color. So simple descriptions. So flower, how the flower is red. So any other word you can change, and you will color change or whatever you want to change, means description about any things you have seen about the umbrella and color. You can also use fill in this blank, and you can frame as many as sentences. So if you want to join my English class and want to learn grammar, writing skill, literature, and in advanced level also grammar, and board wise, means CBSE board, other SSC and others. So board wise, if you want to learn, you can join. And if you like my videos, subscribe and like and share it, and so that my video reach to you, and you can get an idea about the language. And don't fear the language, learn it very easily. My videos are very in a simple way, not any high technology I have used here, only in a very simple way I want to reach you, so that you can learn very easily. Thank you. I stop here.